Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mahdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And my dear students, this online lecture is for the class 2. So my dear students, are you all ready to attend this lecture? I hope you will enjoy a lot all the worksheets of pattern. So you have to draw the different shapes, color it and just complete the pattern. Right students? So let's begin the lecture. And you know the thing that we always begin our lecture with a quote. So first of all, I will show you one quote to you and then we start our lecture. Here is a quote for you. Change your mindset. This is the quote. What do you mean by this quote? What it means that change your mindset. Like we all have some thinking that this thing is very hard. I just can't do it. As a child, as a student, you can think this sum is very hard. I can just solve it. You are thinking about it. This sum is very hard. I can't solve it. So this is your mindset. You are just set your mind that this sum is very hard. You cannot solve it. So definitely you can't solve it because you set your mind this way that you cannot do it. But just change your mindset. However, the sum hard is you can solve it. What is the question? You can learn the answer. Whatever the question is. Don't say that I cannot do it. This thing cannot done by me. This is very hard. I cannot do it. Just change your mindset. If you change your mindset, your study level will improve. It will increase. So don't be negative. Just think a positive thoughts only that you can do it. Anything can be happen. Anything you can do it. No need to say that I cannot do it this thing. I cannot solve this sum. I cannot learn this answer. Whatever the thing is, you can do it. Just change your mindset. The thing is, you need to do is change your mindset. Now students have to add 5 number in each and every number. So you will get the next number. If you want a next number, so you have to add 5 numbers into the numbers. For example, here is the number 5 in the first balloon. Here is number 5 in the first balloon. So you have to add 5 number into the 5 number to get a next number. To get a next number, you have to add a 5 number. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Here it is. You can see. Here is 5. You have to add 5 number into it. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Here you can see 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we are getting the next number. For getting the next number to complete the pattern, you have to add 5 number into the 10. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So this way we have to just get the next number by adding 5 number. So here is 15 number. So you have to add 5 number into the 15 number. You have to add 5 number into the 15 number. So you will get the next number, which is 2020. We are getting the new number, which is 20. We are getting the number. Now, if I want next number to complete the pattern, I just add 5 number into the 20. What I will add? I will add 5 number into the 20. So 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Here it is. You can see I just fill 25 and complete the pattern. Here is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Now to get a next number in the yellow balloon. So for this you have to add 5 number into the 25. To get a new number you have to add 5 into the 25. So 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. What you have to do? You have to add 5 number into the 25. So 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. We are getting the next number, which is 3030. Okay. Now let's move to the next number. To get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 3030. If you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 3030. So 3030 plus 5 is equal to 35. Here it is. If you want to add 5 number into the 30, you will get the new number. Here is 35. Now students, here is the number already written. The number is already given, which is right. If you add 5 number into the 35, you will get the new number, which is 4040. You will get the next number by adding 5. So if you add 5 number into the 35, you will get the 4040 number. Now to get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 40. So 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. Here is the number, which is the next one. If you add 5 number into the 40, you will get the number 45. Now the next one. To get a next number, just add 5 number into the 45. What you should do? If you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 45. So 45 plus 5 is equal to 5050. Which number you are getting? 5050. 45 plus 5050. Now students, if you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 5050. What to do? If you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 5050. So 5050 plus 5 is equal to 55. Here it is. If you want to add 50 plus 5, you will get the number 5555. Now the next one, if you want to add a 5 number into the 55, you will get the next number, which is 6060. Here it is. If you will add 5 number into the 55, you will get the next number, which is 6060. Now add 5 number into the 6060. So you will get the next number, which is 65. Here is the number. You can see here is the number 65. Now to get a next number, add 5 number into the 65. So 65 plus 5 is equal to 7070. You can see we get the next number. Now here it is. 7070 plus 5 is equal to 75. Here it is. 7070 plus 5 is equal to 75. So we get the next number. Now 75 plus 5 is equal to 8080. Now 80 plus 5 is equal to 85. To get a next number, just add 5 number into the 80. So 80 plus 5 is equal to 85. Now students, to get a new number, a next number, just add 5 into the 85. So 85 plus 5 is equal to 90. 85 plus 5 is equal to 90. Now the next one, 90, add 5 number into it. So 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Here is the next number. Now to get a next number, just add 5 number into the 95. So 95 plus 5 is equal to 100. Here it is, you can see in this blue balloon. Now if you want to, here the next number is already given. So if this answer is right or not, just add 5 number into the 100. So 100 plus 5 is equal to 105. Now the next one, 105 plus 5 is equal to 110. Here it is. Just add 5 number and get the next number. So 105 plus 5 is equal to 110. Now 110 plus 5. So you will get the next number. 110 plus 5 is equal to 115. Here it is, 110 plus 5 is equal to 115. So to get a next and last number, 115 plus 5 is equal to 120. So this way students, you have to just complete this pattern by adding 5 number to get a next number. This way you have to complete the worksheet. Now count 200 by tens. What it means, this worksheet? It means you have to add 10 numbers. In the previous worksheet, we are adding 5 numbers, right students? But in this worksheet, you have to add 10 numbers to get a 100 number, right? So let's start doing this worksheet. This is very easy students, nothing hard in this. You have to observe this pattern, read the heading, what we have to do in this pattern. So first of all, read the heading, then observe the pattern, then just think about it, understood the pattern first, and then you have to just write down and complete the pattern. This way you can complete the pattern. So now here is 10 number is here already given. So if you want to a next number, just add 10 number into the 10 number. I repeat this thing again so you will be better understood this. Just add 10 number into the 10 number and you will get the next number. So students, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Here is the number 20. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now we are getting the second number. To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 20. What to do? To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 20. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So our next number is 30. Here is 20 and the next number is 30. Right students? This way you will get the next number and you can complete the pattern by yourself also. Here is 10, here is 20, here is 30. Okay, so let's get the next number. To get a next number, just add 30 just add 10 number into the 3030. So 3030 plus 10 is equal to 4040. If you want to get a next number, just add 10 number into the 3030. So 10 plus 3030 is equal to 4040. So here is the next number. Now here is 10, 20, 30 and 40. So the last number is 40. So if I want a next number, just add 10 number into the 4040. What to do? To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 4040. So 4040 plus 10 is equal to 5050. Here you can see, if you add 10 number into the 4040, you will get the next number, which is 5050. You can see now. So here is the next number is already given. So if it is right or not, let's check it. So if you add 10 number into the 5050, you will get the next number, which is 6060, which is already given, right? Now to get a next number, just add 10 number into the 6060. What? To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 6060. So 6060 plus 10 is equal to 7070. What to do? If you want to get a new number, a next number, just add 10 number into the 6060. So 60 plus 10 is equal to 7070. Now students, if you want a new number, a next number, just add 10 number into the 7070. I hope you understood this. To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 7070. Now 7070 plus 10 is equal to 8080. To get a new number, a next number, just add 10 number into the 7070. So 70 plus 10 is equal to 8080. Now the next number is already given. If you add 10 number into the 8080, you will get the next number, which is 9090. This number is already given. Now students, to get a new number, you have to add 10 number into the 9090. So 9090 plus 10 is equal to 100. 100 what? If you want to add 10 number into the 9090, you will get the next number, which is 100. 100. Now let's read this all the numbers together, so you will be better understood this. Here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. 100. This way you can complete these types of worksheet by yourself also. Very easy these worksheets are, and you have to write down these worksheets into your fair book. Now I have next worksheet for you students. So let's read the heading first. Here it is pattern with geometric shapes. So here is the pattern of shapes is there. This worksheet is made with the shapes, which is geometric shapes. Right, here is, let's observe the pattern first. Here is circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Here is circle and rectangle. So what will be the next two pattern will come? What will be the next two shapes? We have to observe the pattern first and then we have to decide. Here is circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So what will be the next? It is a circle and rectangle. So now this pattern is complete. So let's just observe again, it is true or not. Here is circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Here is circle, rectangle. Here is circle and rectangle. So this way you can complete the pattern by observing it. Now let's observe the next pattern. Here is circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Here is circle and triangle. So what will be the next two shape will come to complete the pattern? Which shape we have to add to complete this pattern? Here it is. Let's observe again so we can think about it. We can write down the correct shape. So here is circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So what will be the next shape? It will be a circle, then triangle. Here it is. Now let's observe again. It is true or not. Here is circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Again circle and triangle. I hope you understood this. Now the next one, oval, diamond shape, oval, diamond shape. Here is oval and diamond shape. So what will be the next four shapes will come? So let's observe again. Here is oval, diamond shape. Here is oval, diamond shape, oval and diamond shape. So next will be the oval and diamond shape. Here is oval, here is diamond shape. Next will be the oval and the next will be the diamond shape. Oval and diamond shape, oval and diamond shape. Now this pattern is complete. If you observe this, now the pattern is completely oval, diamond shape, oval, diamond shape. Here is oval, diamond shape. Here is oval, diamond, oval and diamond. So now here this pattern is complete. Now let's move to the next one. Here it is triangle, star, triangle, star. Here is triangle and star. So what will be the next two shape will come? Which two shape will come to complete this pattern? Let's see this triangle, star. Here is triangle, star. Here is triangle and star. So next will be the triangle and star. You can see here is next will be a triangle and star. Now the next one, here is rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, then rectangle, circle, rectangle and circle. Now by adding these shapes, if you observe, this pattern is complete now. See this, here is rectangle, then circle, rectangle, then circle, rectangle, then circle, rectangle, then circle. So here we can complete the pattern by observing the pattern. Now the next one, here is all the are triangles, but the positions are different. So this is the next position. Here is the opposite. Here is the front, then the opposite and the front. This way you can complete the pattern this way, and you have to note down, you have to write down this pattern worksheet into the fair book and into the rough. So first of all, to complete the pattern, you know what to do? You must have to observe the pattern, understood the pattern and then think, and then you can just write down the correct answer. or choose the correct option. Now here is, you can see there is one square and some slanting lines are there. Here is, if you observe, what will be the next one? This one will become as an answer. So here you have to draw this option number C to complete the pattern. What you have to do? You have to just draw the number C in the option. This is the correct option to complete this pattern. Now number 2, here is the number 2. Here is stars are given in a pattern and there is also a 3 options is given and we have to choose the correct option from the given options, and at the question mark, in the place of the question mark, you have to draw the right question. You have to choose the correct option and you have to draw that star here. So first of all, white star, black star, grey star. This is the pattern. First of all, white star, then black and then grey. Here is white star, black star, grey star. So what will be the come next? It will be a white star. We have to start with the white star. Here is the white star. It means the option number B. So here the white star will be there and so pattern will be complete. Now the next one. Let's move to the number 3. Here it is. Here is rectangle is there and some different types of design in each rectangles. So we have to decide that which option is correct and just draw at the place of the question mark and complete the pattern. Now here it is. Here is just a one standing line and the rectangle. Here is a standing line. Here is a sleeping line. Again standing line. Then slanting line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, slanting line, and again there is a standing line. See, there is something difficult to think. So please just observe it again. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, then slanting line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, slanting line, and standing line. So what will be the come next? So it will be a sleeping line. So the correct option is what? The correct option is number A. Sleeping line in the rectangle will come. It will complete the pattern. Now number 4. Here is the number 4. So there is a one rectangle in different shapes and there is 2 black dots inside it. So the correct position you have to think and then the right option you have to choose and then you have to write down the answer. Right, students? Now this is the right answer. To complete this pattern you have to draw in the place of the question mark. Here it is. Now the next one. Here is one square is there in the number 5. In the first square there is a 1 circle. In the second square there is a 2 circle. In the third square there is a 3 circle. Again there is a 1 circle, there is a 2 circle, there is a 3 circle. So the next will be a 1 circle in a square. If you observe this pattern, here is 1 circle, here is 2 circle, here is 3 circle. Again there is a 1 circle, here is 2 circle, here is 3 circle. Then in the place of the question mark, number C option is the right option and you have to draw this option here. This one is the right answer. Now the next one, question number 6. Here is some different shapes are there. This shape has a 8 sides. It has a 6 sides. Here is a 5 sides. This is the pentagon. Then a square. It has 4 sides. You have to just less the sides. Right. If here is 4 side, then the three side triangle has? Triangle has the three sides. So the next option will be triangle, and the correct option is triangle, option number A. So in the place of the question mark, you have to write down option A. You have to draw a triangle in the place of question mark. This is the right answer. Understood, students? Now the question number 7 is here. Here is rectangle, then cylinder shape, then a square, then a circle, rectangle, then a square, then a triangle, and obviously the answer is A, triangle shape. This is the right answer, students. This one is the right answer. So in the place of the question mark, you have to draw option number A. This one is the correct answer. Now color the pattern. So let's read the heading first. Fill appropriate color in the blank shape to complete the patterns. So to complete the pattern, you have to fill with color. So first of all, observe the thing, observe the color pattern, and then you have to color it. So number 1 is here. First of all, a yellow circle, then a green circle. Yellow circle, then a green circle. Yellow circle, then a green circle. So here I just color it with the green circle. You can see here. See. Now here I have to just, this is the blank circle and I have to color it green. You can see here. Now the next one, this is the rectangle now. First of all, there is a red rectangle, then a blue rectangle. Red rectangle, then a blue rectangle. Then the next, a red rectangle and a blue rectangle. This way we have to complete the color pattern. Now the next one, this is the star. Here is blue star, green star, yellow star. Blue star, green star, and it will be a yellow star. You have to color this star with yellow color. Now the plus sign, which is a red, blue, green. It is a red, then blue and green. This way you have to just draw the plus sign. Now the diamond shape is there. 2 yellow, 2 blue. Then again 2 yellow will be there. This way you have to draw the shape and also color it. Now the arrow shape is there. Here is green arrow, 2 blue arrow. 1 green arrow, then it will be a 2 blue arrow must be a there. This way you can complete the color pattern. I have so many worksheet I have. Now here it is a yellow square, then green circle. Yellow square, green circle. So here is a square, but I have to color it. Which color? Do you have any idea? So I have to color it yellow. This way now if you observe the pattern, it is complete. Here is yellow, green, yellow, green and yellow square. Now the next one, here it is a star. Orange star, blue square. Orange star, then blue square, then a orange star. Now it is complete the pattern. See, let's observe it again. Here is orange star, then blue square, orange star, blue square, and here is orange star is there. Now this pattern is complete. Then a red circle, grey triangle, red circle, grey triangle, then circle will be red. Here you can see I just colored the red, this circle. Now the next one, blue rectangle, blue square, diamond shape, pink. Blue square, pink diamond, then it will be a blue shape. Here you can see I just color it blue. Now the next one, green triangle, purple square. Green triangle, purple square and it will be a green triangle. You can see I just color it green. Now the next one, pink rectangle, orange circle. Pink rectangle, orange circle. Then the rectangle will be pink. Here it is, you can see I just color it pink. Now the last one, the purple circle, yellow star. Purple circle, yellow star, and the circle will be purple. This way you have to just complete this color pattern. Now the next worksheet of color pattern, let's complete it. Now here is a blue square, then red, blue, red, blue, then it will be a red, then blue, then red, then blue, then red. You have to complete this way the color pattern. Here is green, yellow, green, yellow, green, then yellow, green, then yellow, green, then yellow. This way you have to complete this color pattern. Here is red square, then two blue. One square which is red, two in a blue color. Then one will be red, two will be blue, one will be red. This way you have to complete this color pattern. Now here is two yellow circle, two green circle, two yellow circle, two green circle, then again two yellow circle. This way you have to complete the color pattern and just draw these shapes in the fair book and color it. This is very easy and fun with the shapes is this. You will enjoy this worksheet a lot while doing this. Now, thank you so much students for watching this video. Complete all the worksheet which we solved in the video. So please write down in the fair book. So stay home, stay safe, stay strong. Thank you so much students. Bye bye.